Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Coinbase wallet using Passkey login. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Coinbase Wallet app on your device. Ensure that you have your Passkey ready. Tap on the settings icon located at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select the security option. Next, choose Passkey login from the list of available options. You will see a prompt asking for your email and password. Enter your registered email address associated with your Coinbase account. Then, type in your password carefully. After entering this information, tap on Continue to proceed. The app will then guide you through the Passkey creation process. Tap on Create Passkey to initiate this step. A QR code will be generated on your screen. Open your Authenticator app on another device to scan this QR code. Once scanned, your device will display a unique passkey. Return to the Coinbase Wallet app and input this passkey. Double-check that the passkey entered matches the one displayed in your Authenticator app. After confirming the passkey, tap on Authorize. You should receive a notification indicating that your Coinbase wallet has been successfully authorized. Now, you can access your wallet with your new Passkey login method. Remember to keep your Passkey secure and private. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.